Hi there,
Hi.
welcome to Tamala Beach Resort. Today I'm here with the Gambia's #1 comedian, Tira Joe.
I'm right at Tamala and we have some exciting news to tell you about Tamala. Some of you already know. So Umi Awa, can you tell them something?
They already know that in Tamala we have different activities going on every day of the week, or almost every day of the week, starting with the
Sunday brunch, African BBQ night,
and the Friday fish market, which we are going to today to get some food, enjoy, and have a lot of entertainment, because it's not only about the food, but we also bring entertainment as well. We have the acrobats here sometimes, we have the cultural groups performing.
Wow.
And one more thing that I love is that there is a new thing included in the list, which is DJ Eyes playing in Tamala Beach Resort.
DJ Eyes?
DJ Eyes.
Oh my God, we are about to
So guys,
party.
Let's go in and see what we have for the fish market. You know that this will be the last, maybe one of the last fish markets that will be held indoor because of the rain.
Wow, yeah, you're right.
So
you're
from
right.
now on, I think we'll be going outside. The hotel looks nice.
Wow.
The environment. Oh my God, the food
Thank
is here.
you. So yummy. All you have to do is come to the fish market and get yourself this plate of seafood and enjoy your life. You can pay and come. If you are not staying in a hotel, you can still come. So you're welcome at Tamala.
One thing about Tamala is their food is always healthy and the presentation is top notch. I love the presentation and it's very, very delicious. So all you need to do is book a room in our hotel. The website is open, or you can call us or send us an email on the information that you're seeing below. Come to Tamala Beach Resort, as we have a lot of activities every day of the week here for you. Friday is especially for fish market. So guys, we're waiting to see you here in Tamala Beach Resort to enjoy the beautiful atmosphere and of course our beautiful and delicious delicacies. See you soon.